Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis video. Let's get straight into the charts. Crypto fear and greed index hitting these 50 levels, neutral state, which is very good, and this is why. We are hitting a neutral state as Dogelon to Mars is creating new support above the previous resistance. All right, beautiful, beautiful. This is exactly the type of move we have been wanting to see. However, today, this is what we need to look for in order for this to be confirmed as a bullish up sign. So, let's get right into it. We want to see this daily candle close above this previous top of the body on this red candle here. Above these 1021 levels. That's where we want to see it close today. To be more specific, above these 1024 levels. Now, we did see a nice little retracement back down, and then some buyers step back in. We saw it come back down to this 0.618. Push right off, exactly like what we wanted to see. If you watched the last video, this was one of the scenarios, one of the two scenarios that could have happened, and it happened. So, boom, boom. Oh, we want to see it close above this. This is one of the most bullish scenarios that could have happened as well. Close above this today. And then that will be confirmation that this is a good point to average in because the floor has been set around these 920 levels. Boom, 920s. Pretty simple. The markets have been pumping lately, and a lot of you guys are very excited because you're in the profits now. So, it's a great thing, my friends. I just want to hop on this real quick, give you guys a quick update because this is what we're looking at, and yeah, we just need to close above this level. It's confirmation. You can average some bags in. This is not financial advice, simple opinions from a crypto billionaire. This is what I'm doing. And it looks as though we might just close above this today. Now we have a whole day to go. And if you think about it, this is a lot of volume for half a day. If the volume continues to spike, then we will see a nice big green candle up to here, potentially even reaching back up to the top. Now, this is our only problem that we currently are facing is this double wick right here. This is a double top, and if we drop time frames, we will be able to see exactly this. So, we have seen some major resistance to the left here. We have spiked, and now we are retracing. So, what should we do? We want to see this next candle. All right, we want to see this a 3-bar play because if we zoom into these 4-hourly candles, this is pretty much a 3-bar play that's, setting up. And if we can see this 3-bar play happen how it's supposed to, this is what it will look like. We will have a similar candle, the same size as this one, pushing right higher into around this previous 1136 levels where the top of this body was over here. Those of you who are new to the channel don't know what a 3-bar play is. Big green candle, the next candle, big green candle with volume overbearing previous resistance. The next candle is a red candle that comes down to this 50% line on this green candle here or above, and then it closes above this 50% pretty much. We don't want to see it close as a green candle. We want to see it close as a red candle. And then this next green candle afterwards, this next candle here, should show some major buying pressure, pushing higher than the previous top of this red body within the first 1/4 of the candle time frame. On the 4-hourly candles, that would be in the first 1 hour. It should push higher than this. On the minutes, it should be in the first 1/4 of the minute. It should push higher than this. So that's what we're looking for tomorrow. If we can close above these 1061s, not even close above it, but push through them, that will mean that the 3-bar play is confirmed. However, today we need to close above. We need to close above these 1024 levels because that is the 50% retracement mark on this big green candle that we saw. Stepping in with volume. So that's what we're looking at. And that's what I got for you guys today. I mean, everything's looking good. We just got to stay patient. This is an extremely, look at this. This is so natural. I've seen this over and over and over with Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. We've just seen some major action. And it's a beautiful thing. Like, we are going to Mars, my friend. You see all these lines? That's how much money we're going to make. Every single circumference that I'm creating right now is how much money each and every one of us are going to make in the future. Because we are heading to Mars. It's just going to take a little bit of time. Well, that's pretty cool. And, yeah. Oh, I want to address something. So, I made a video on the toilet the other day, right? And it was a hit or miss video, apparently. I thought it was pretty funny, but some of you guys didn't appreciate it. And I apologize if I, hurt anyone's feelings by making a video on the toilet. But I thought it would be a good idea to show you guys, you can literally make money doing this stuff from anywhere. But I understand that some of you guys watch this with your family and, they might not appreciate Crypto Billionaire 69 taking a dump on the toilet. But some of you guys found it funny, so it's a hit or miss. I'm just here to have fun and make money in the markets, I started this channel for, to track my own trades. If you find value, then that is super dope. However, I'm not going to switch up. I'm just going to continue being myself. If you don't like, I'm not going to, go take a poop on every video. That was just a one-time thing. Maybe 2 times if I'm feeling frisky in the future. However, I'm not going to switch up because I'm just doing this stuff for fun, man. I really am. If you find it valuable, then that is really awesome. And it really makes me feel fulfilled seeing you guys make a lot of money in these markets through my teachings. I mean, I love that. That is an amazing bonus. However, I'm never switching up, guys. I'm just going to be myself. I'm not going to be one of these crypto YouTubers that, sits here with a monotone voice going over news and recent price action like a media outlet. No, I'm Crypto Billionaire 69, and I will never switch up on you guys. So, consider me a crypto friend, not a news outlet, And some things I say might be triggering, but at the end of the day, does it really matter? Does it really matter? Especially if we're making money in these markets. Does it matter if I make a video on the toilet? One video? No, it doesn't. All right. Tell that to the 20x that you're about to make. Anyways, I really appreciate you guys being here. It just makes it so much more fun. I mean, it'd be kind of lonely if I was just making these videos for myself. So, seeing you guys interact with them and kind of like them, it's pretty dope. But, speaking of, right now, I am just holding. I'm just waiting because I want to see I haven't averaged in more bags yet. I want to see this really confirm. I want to see this 3-bar play confirm. Or today, just, I want to see us push higher than these previous resistance levels. Then I'll average the rest of my bags in. Because I'm just not quite too satisfied with this downward. I mean, we broke out of it, but we're I don't know. I just don't have a good feeling, and this is why. We have seen a nice green candle with volume, but we haven't seen the buyers continue to step in afterwards. So we want to see those buyers continue to raise the floor. The floor is the base price that they will buy. Raise the floor at higher levels. Once I see that, then it is a great thing. And also, secondary, once I see that, then I will consider averaging. And this is simply my portfolio wise. We have dipped below these $45,000 levels. All right. We saw dip to these 44 250 levels, all right? And then it quickly retraced. So this is, this can be seen as one of two ways, okay? We have come down, touched these, major buyers have stepped in, or we have come down, touched these, and cleared the path for it to move even lower again. So in order for this to be, set in stone, we just got to wait for tomorrow. Now, if today closes above these $47,000 levels, there's no doubt that this is a very bullish sign. However, if it closes in the range of these $47,000 to these $45,000 levels, that means tomorrow it's either a hit or miss. We can go higher. We can close above these 47,052 levels, which would be very bullish, and we will be continuing to the upside. Or we can come back down and retest these $45,000 levels, possibly breaking through to the bottom of these $44,000 levels. So it's just really a matter of time on what we need to watch. And that's why I'm not too comfortable adding the rest of my portfolio in at this current moment in time, my friends. Crypto Billionaire 69. Join the Patreon for real-time buy and sell alerts. It is the beginning of the month. So if you have been waiting to join the Patreon, then now is the time to do it. And yes, there has been a lot going on with Patreon. The reason why I sound like this, Patreon is something, because they charge you guys up front for all right, so let's say April 1st, you guys want to join, right? You can join right now and get, in a tier for, let's say you join the $35 a month tier. You pay $35 up front, and then you pay on the 1st every month, okay? It's a good deal. But let's say you want to join on the 25th, right? The 25th of April. That means you pay on the 25th up front, and then you pay on the 1st as well. And yeah, I don't know. I've been looking into other platforms to use other than Patreon, just because they take a nice percentage of it, along with not, I can only post texts and videos. I can't really post anything more. It's not very versatile. And it charges you guys more than it should be charging you guys. It charges up front. So I'm sure that's holding a lot of you guys back from, past the 15th. If you see you're going to get charged on the up front, then you probably don't even want to join the Patreon, because it's just weird. It's a weird dilemma there. So I'm looking into other platforms, so stay tuned on that. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Crypto B69 checking up. You guys know the daily vibes. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Peace. Peace, my friends.